Good day, YouTube. This is Jay with Falling Forward Financial. Apple had a great day. I wanted to bring an update about Apple. I've made a couple videos about Apple as you follow my channel, and it's definitely a long-term hold of mine. I buy a couple shares here and there. As you can see, I have 7 in a partial shares here in this account, and I have more in a retirement account. I don't show you everything that I have here on the channel. But anyway, Apple had a great day. It was up 3.67%, $4.84, so very nice. If you don't know what Apple is, you can just pause it and read that for yourself. I'm not even going to go into what Apple is. Probably watching this on an Apple device, so... Anyway, there's your dividend for your dividend investors. Not too much of a dividend, but still better than nothing. So 2.29 trillion market cap, just amazing. And a couple articles here, as well as the ratings. And earnings is coming up, available after January 27 after hours. I knew that was right around the corner, and I was wondering why it jumped up today, and just got to kind of looking at it. And make sure and stay till the end of the video. I have an extra stock that goes along with Apple. But anyway, NASDAQ closes at another record as big tech jumps ahead of earnings. S&P 500 ekes out new highs. And so again, we're just setting big tech company records for this week, and so that's pretty much why I found out that Apple jumped up today. Plus, I believe the share price was increased. I'll have that article here in a moment. Apple's jump came after top analyst Katie Huberty from Morgan Stanley said she expects a record December quarter print for the tech giant. Optimism is rising that majority technology companies will impress Wall Street when they hand in earnings reports next week. Apple and Facebook have risen 7.7 and 8.6% respectively this week ahead of their quarterly results, while Microsoft gained 5.8%. So still huge numbers for these huge tech companies. 7, 8, and 5% doesn't sound like a lot, but it's huge in regards to these size of these companies. Equities closed at record highs in the previous session as President Joe Biden was sworn into the office, ushering in hope that an improved vaccine rollout will ensure a smoother and faster reopening. Some on Wall Street are optimistic that Biden's plan to combat the pandemic will give the stock market a further boost through 2021. So we will see what happens. There's been up and down for the last couple months in regards to the vaccine rollout, the CV and everything. And so just one day at a time, I guess, baby steps, if you will. So I'm not going to read the whole article. Feel free to read it for yourself by going and pausing the video, but some more good information in there. The S&P 500 is currently trading at 22.8 times forward earnings, near levels during the 2000.com bubble, according to FactSet. The broad equity benchmark is also 16% above the 200-day moving average. So just kind of a powerhouse moving forward, very bullish in a lot of different ways. So, and as y'all know, Biden was sworn in as 46th U.S. president on Wednesday, succeeding former President Donald Trump. Investors are watching if Biden can get his proposal, $1.9 trillion CV relief bill through Congress. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi said Thursday the chamber is ready to pass the bill in the first week of February. So lots of big things coming up. Be definitely one to watch. This just kind of looking into why Apple's stock is soaring today. Apple stock is trading up 2.57% to a price of 135.09. The stock's volume is currently 28.71 million, which is roughly 26.42% of its recent 30-day volume average of 108.66 million. Why it's moving, real-time breaking news service shows some insight into what is affecting shares. Apple shares are trading higher after Morgan Stanley maintained its overweight rating and raised its price target from $144 to $152 per share. So very nice for you Apple holders. I'm sure a lot of you out there listening already have Apple. Like I said, it's a long-term hold of mine. Probably keep it forever, as long as I can hold it. So, as you know, it split in the last couple months. I can't remember what month, and I'm sure it will be doing that again someday, and just increasing your shares and just keeps growing. Feel free to pause the video and read the rest for yourself. Back to tip ranks. It's still showing Apple as a moderate buy. Analyst price target of 133.57. Looks like a high of 160 and a low of 80. Like I said, I had a bonus stock for you. Somebody mentioned this, and I heard about this before, and I actually own 2 shares of it that I forgot about, that I have had for quite some time. It's called Zynga. You can kind of see what it's done over the last month, the last 3 months. It's been kind of up and down. I was doing some reading about it, and you can see it kind of had a nice run up today, and then kind of went down. So I think it's got some life back into it. But if you don't know what this is, it provides social game services. It develops markets and operates social games as live services played on mobile platforms such as Apple iOS operating system and Google Android operating system. As I told you before, if you watch my channel, I made a video about Billy. The ticker is BILI. You might want to take a look at that one. That one's had a tremendous run up. I need to do a follow-up video on that one as well. But back to Zynga. It's got a $10 billion or 10 billion market cap, so it's pretty good size. It's been around for a while, since 2007, and we can check tip ranks on Zynga. I just wanted to do a bonus stock here at the end and give you all something to think about. So it's got a strong buy. Out of 7 analysts, 7 are showing it as a buy. Price target of $12.32. So that's an upside of 19.03%, high of $14.75, and a low of $11. So might be worth taking a look at. And currently it's sitting at $10.35. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, just bringing some great stocks and updates your way, and giving you some other ones to think about. If you could go ahead and hit that like button for me, that really helps out the channel, as well as leave your comments in regards to how many shares of Apple you have, your cost basis, and if you have any of Zynga, that would be interesting to know as well. Again, I thank you for watching the channel. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. And thank you for watching. Happy investing. Happy trading. Stay green. Cheers.